This video is going to show you how to create a bar graph. In the previous video we did a pie chart, and this is the same data that we used for the pie chart. We're going to use this data as well for the bar graph, just so you can compare and contrast. So a bar graph is very similar in the initial steps anyway to create, in that we select the data that we want. So in this case I just clicked and dragged until I had all the data selected. And then I can go into insert, and we can do recommended charts, but we know that we're going to do a bar graph, so I can actually just go right to this bar icon here. And I can pick from a number of different bar graphs that are available to me. This data is a pretty simple set of data, so it's not you can't really take advantage of sort of different colored bars and whatnot. But you can do a 3D, or you can do it vertically as opposed to, or horizontally as opposed to vertically. So there's different options. I'm just going to do the most simple option. And again, like the pie chart, we can change things after the fact. So there's a little shadow there. We can have a contrasting background, all kinds of stuff. And just like in the pie chart, we can also change, the titles of things, like the axis title. We can, make that frequency, or the x-axis we could say is color, that category. We can also put data labels in here. So if I want to add the actual counts or frequency counts for each of these, I can do that just by selecting one of these. And there's different options as to where it shows up in the graph. So that is the simplest way to create a bar chart.